Time to start working on the E36 again, and I don't know if I'm looking forward to this. Like, I want to build it, but I know what it involves, and man, I am not ready for this. Just looking at the car, there is so much to do. It's nothing like the M3 because I just did an engine on that one and paint and stuff, but this one is getting a complete gut job. And I'm looking at this thing and thinking, what was I thinking? But I'm not one to do anything half-assed, so it's gonna take a while. And I'm telling you, I just hope I have it in me to keep going. I want to see. I have an idea of what the finished product gonna be, and I think it's gonna be wicked. But I don't know if I'm ready for that yet. But here we go. This was industrial garbage bag, and look how easy this thing rips. And when I say this thing was a really thick garbage bag, but yeah, the sun destroys everything. But oh well, at least now it's inside. I don't have to worry about that anymore. And now it's time to jump in and start ripping this thing apart. Well, this has been on here a long time. And it's a good thing I'm repainting this car because this stuff is just ruined. Oh. But I'm telling you, this aluminum tape sticks really well. So, let's see what the damage is in here. Oh, gee, water. Came off really good though. So this stuff is gonna need some good wow. This was from my original tape, but it didn't last too long. So I had to do the new one with the aluminum tape. Lasts a lot longer. Came off a lot easier. And now all this gotta come apart. Let's see. Yeah, that's gonna take a while. Wait, let's try from back here. Nope. All right, that's it. This is it after everything is off. So like I said, I'm not worried about the glue on here because all this is going to be stripped. And because yeah, I have to take the sunroof out, paint. So all this is, but now that's in the garage, I don't need the plastic on there anymore. And I'm going to try and get a different roof for this. No, no, it ain't going to be a carbon roof. Ah, sorry guys to disappoint. I like my sunroof, but I'm going to try and get a different roof for this. But no guarantee. But for now, I am keeping my sunroof. I am not getting rid of it for a carbon roof. So I'm sorry if I disappoint you. I'm not big on carbon roofs. I don't see the big deal about it. I love a sunroof. But now that all that's off, I just feel like one step closer to to nothing. Yeah. I was looking this over yesterday. I'm thinking, what the heck did I get myself into? I don't even know if I got the energy to do this complete overhaul. But I got the car, I got the transmission and the engine over there, so I might as well get into it. But man, I don't know if I'm ready for this, but let's get started. Well, that's not even holding on anything. One side down. I don't even know if this side is holding anything. Kind of. There she goes. Oh, okay then. Alright, time to grab these headlights. Yeah, they're not even really held in. Just some rusty old screws. What is this? Torx. Take these two out. Jeez, there's so many different type of nuts and bolts on this thing. Zip tied in there. Whoop. Where is that drill? Oh, one more piece out. And all they got is some rusted old screws in there. No backings on the headlight, nothing, because they had HIDs in here. So I guess I'm getting new headlights. Oh, look, another screw. Yippee. Oh, that don't even fit in there. Torx. Well, we are almost finished with, oh, well, that can go. And this, I think, I don't know if I'm going to paint or powder coat. If I can get this in my, no, it won't fit in there. So I might just send it out, get it sandblasted. I can powder coat this, but I can't sandblast it myself. I got some HID stuff here we need to get rid of. Old HID ballast, which nobody uses anymore. And I don't know what else other garbage is in here. Just old 330s, old E36 wiring. I don't know what they were trying to do here, but I'll leave that for another day, because all this is going to get pulled in. We got the front nose, or whatever the heck it's called, headlights. This is the radiator bracket, front mount, whatever you call it. Don't roast me because I don't really care what it's called. All the brackets for the bumper, that's gonna get, I'm gonna probably in the meantime I'm gonna start powder coating those and you know, getting them nice and clean and looking for when it's ready to go back together. The bumper is over there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this one, because trying to strip the paint off of this warped one, I might just end up getting a new one, so I don't know for sure yet. But here we go. So this is getting ready now, just to kind of, whoop, before I clean up, to kind of just, you know, try out the engine, see how much room I got, what do I need to do. And then I'm gonna start pulling all the wires in, because I'm, like I said, I'm completely gutting this car. So now I'm gonna go bag all these nuts and put them away, label them nicely, so I know where everything goes. Well, after I took everything out of here, I started looking at these frame rails and realized, yeah, we got frame damage. I don't know if you can see it now, but you can see the lumps on there, and then when you look inside, you see all the creases right there. If you come to the side, let's see if I can pick it up. If you come to the side, you can see how it's angling down. Oh yeah, I can see it clearly here. I don't know if you can see it there, but you can also see all the lumps and stuff there. So it was pushed back. So I don't know if this is gonna stop me in my track and I say scrap it, because now I don't know if I have to cut all the way back there, replace it. But there's no way I'm gonna go forward with this like this. The other one is also angling down and back, and if you look inside, you can also see the lumps inside there again. And if you look over here, you can see, hold on, there it is again. You can see the crease right back there. That right there is frame damage. Son, you know what? And then look here, you can see it here again. You can see it's not straight there. So, yeah, not happy, not freaking happy at all. But I don't know. I have to dig into that, see if I can get rails to buy. This just got a lot longer and a lot more expensive. I wasn't ready for this. I mean, I know something, there was an accident here somewhere. It's a clean title, but as you can see, something happened there. I can't even see it from here, man. Yeah, something happened there. I know I'm gonna have to deal with that along with all the other crap in here. But let me show you something. So I knew something happened from all this boogers that's here, right? Because I know that's not factory. Over here, it looks like factory here, but up here, it's a lot worse. Down here, I don't think that's factory right there. See, these are the factory ones over here, right? But this here, so, and this thing is as lumpy as my head. You can see, is that body filler? I don't know, you can see all the lumps there. So this I have to change. But now, the rails, So if you don't see any more videos on this, you know why. I decided to say screw it and I'm not gonna do it, but I don't know if it's worth it. There it is. Engine is out, and now it's time to start getting ready to mock up the engine for this one. So I am still trying to get a few things. I still haven't got the adapter plate yet, which I don't know when I'm getting that. And once I get that, I might try to mock the engine up without it, but I do need engine mount and one more exhaust manifold. I have it somewhere, but trying to find things around here, or did I leave it in the scrap car? I can't remember, because I want to see if it's gonna fit with both manifolds in there. But I might just do it without it anyway and see, but we will see when time comes. But I don't want to just keep putting the engine in and out, in and out, in and out. So depending on when stuff comes for the next video, I am gonna try and get the engine in there, or I'm gonna, no, I don't want to rip. I still have to rip the entire interior out, but I need a place to store it. Gotta clean out the shed. There's so much to do, but until I mock up the engine in here, I don't know. I don't know where to go, because I'm still waiting on parts. I've been waiting on parts to work on both the M3s. Both suspension are getting complete overhaul on both the M3s, the E90 and the E92, from bushings to control arms to sway bars. It's all getting done, but I'm still waiting on a lot of the parts for that. So that's why I haven't, the last videos they were supposed to be here, they're not here yet, so I don't know. So all I'm left now is to work on this, but I'll put the videos out when I can. Winter is coming up, so I'm trying to get the engine mocked up, because once the engine is mocked up, then I can start working on the rest of the body in the garage while the garage is closed and it's freezing outside. But I don't want to have to open the garage to mock the engine up. That's why I want to do it now before it gets too cold. So that's why I'm focusing on that. But that's gonna be it for now. The next video, it is when it is. It is what it is. I don't know for sure yet, because I'm still waiting on all these parts. But that's it for now. Later.